Iran, you are the pride of our hearts, the light of our path, the glow in our gatherings from mountains to seas in every land. Your name shines bright like the moon so grand. Iran forever everlasting, Iran forever standing.
From deserts to plains, from hills to heights, the song of freedom rises in might. A river of courage, hearts full of light, beating in brave ones, strong in the fight.